Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, it is trading at a level of $2.2790. Okay, from 3 days there is a continuous upside, but only today we have seen it is trying to form a red candle. Why? Because we have seen the dollar index is trying to go higher. Now if you look at this trend, overall trend you have to see, because then only we will see how the price action is working. See, there is a continuous upside we have seen, but there is a range where the price of natural gas is moving in the high with a high of around $2.1642. After that it moved out of that zone, that is where it made a high of around $2.35573. Okay, this is the high what we have seen. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, there can be a probability of further upside if the price of dollar index started going down. I'll show you the dollar index also, but previously what you have to see how the natural gas price has moved. See, this was the zone where the price has moved in a zone of 3 and 2 for quite some time. As soon as the zone breakout happens, we have seen two high 3.5 and 3.6. After that there is a continuous fall. Now this is the zone, same pattern is created here. Now it has made a high of around 2.3. Similarly we have seen a high, so probability can be high, it can come down again and touch a level of 2.18, and then after that it can make another high of around 2.3, and then it can move again in this zone. Look at the dollar index. See, dollar index now trading at a level of 105. So if it started going below 105, then only we can see it can go further fall, because 104.9 is a strong support. So a bounce back can come, or if it fall below this level, a further fall we can see. So if started moving below a level of 104.9, then there is a probability it can go further low, because then there is a probability that the natural gas price can go further upside, and as it is a strong support, so chances are high that a probability is higher that it can bounce back, or if it started going below that level, a further fall. But if the price started going above level of 105.5, then there is a probability of further upside movement. Okay, and then it can go towards 105.5 and then further upside. Now looking at this particular chart, what you can see on the natural index. So before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Now look at this particular chart. If the price sustain, it can go towards 2.3368, and from there a probability of touching 2.3510. Once the price started moving up that level, a probability of crossing this zone we can see, and from there a probability of touching 2.47, and from there a probability of touching 2.6148. And if the price started going above that level, we will see it will cross a level of around 2.8, because if you look at this trend, there is a probability of that this particular trend will support, so chances of touching a level of 2.8 we can see, then to a level of 2.93. okay, and once the price started sustaining over 2.93, then we can see a level of $3, and up after that a probability of touching 3.5. okay, and if it started touching a level of 3.5, then a probability of going towards a level of 3.6 we can see, and then further upside. But as I have already explained you, market is uncertain. Okay, so if the price didn't sustain that level, we can see it can come down again, and it can move towards its next support, that is at a level of 2.25, and if that level move further low, then a probability of touching $2.222. And once the price started moving below that particular zone, then a probability of touching 2.1673 will be there, and if the price moves below that particular level, again we can see it will go towards a level of 2.14, and then a probability of touching 2.048. okay, and if the price started going below a level of 2.048, then chances of going further down we can see towards 1.97. okay, and then a probability of touching a level of 1.882. So once the price started going below a level of 2.28, we can see a level of $2.187 to a level of 2.12, and then at level of $2. As soon as the price started going below $2, chances of touching a level of 1.98 we can see, then to a level of 1.88, and then a probability of going below a level of $1.865, and then a probability of touching 1.77. okay, and then a probability is very high, it can cross a level of 1.72 and then further low. So if the price started moving below that level, further fall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up.